It's not controversial to say that Toronto's original road network, particularly in the suburbs, were built with a car-centric approach. Some complex interchanges meant unique and innovative approaches aimed to reduce resistance to moving cars through an area as effortlessly as possible. This was usually at the detriment of anyone outside a car. In Etobicoke, the intersection of Dundas and the Kingsway was recently reconfigured for safety of all users. The old design featured a special separated channel that was used by turning vehicles and buses. This prevented through-running cars from having to slow down, but created less than ideal conditions for anyone outside a car. And of course, there was nowhere to bike. The new design reconfigured the intersection so that the Kingsway meets Dundas at a 90-degree angle and eliminates the channel. Instead, a traffic island has been placed in the center of Dundas to prevent cars from making left turns. Bi-directional cycle tracks have been added to Dundas and cross the Kingsway at a raised crossing, creating a continuous crossing for pedestrians and cyclists. The raised crossing means that cars have to slow down when approaching, and meeting at a perpendicular angle means that cars have good visibility of anyone crossing. The only issue I noticed is that there is not enough space between the road and the crossing, so sometimes cars stop in the crossing while waiting for a gap in traffic. The bus stop has been moved further west, with the cycle track raising up to come level with the sidewalk. Unfortunately, there is no waiting area and does not seem to be space for a shelter. Buses will stop in the right lane, which means cars will have to wait or go around, but this will mean faster stops and less waiting for buses. Overall, this is a very welcome change that does a much better job at balancing the needs and safety of various road users. As our suburbs evolve, changes like this will allow more people to be comfortable getting around in different ways. If you like this video, let me know, and consider subscribing for more videos about infrastructure evolution in Toronto. Thanks for watching.